Dear student, today we are going to learn about distance formula. So let's understand what is distance formula. Okay. Now suppose if we are asked to find the distance between 2 points. 2 points, suppose A and B are there and we have plotted this in a graph. Okay. Where the coordinate of A is x1, y1 and the coordinate of B is x2, y2. So distance between AB will be how much, right? So if you draw a line AB. AB is the distance, right, which we are going to find. Now, if you drop a perpendicular from B on the x-axis, again, if you drop another perpendicular from A on the B, which we have drawn, perpendicular which we have drawn on the x-axis, that is AP. So this will become a right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, this angle P is 90 degree. Now, you know that in Pythagoras theorem, right? Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, or base square plus perpendicular square. Now, if you see this right angle triangle, here I have used Pythagoras theorem. We know that Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So here hypotenuse is AB, base is AP, and perpendicular is BP. So AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square. D square is the distance between A and B, okay, right? So AP, that means AP means just C along x-axis, right? Just C along x-axis. So here the coordinate of, right, the coordinate of B is how much? It is x2, and the coordinate of Y is A is how much? It is x1. So the distance between A and B along x-axis will be x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. Since square is there, so you can write square. Again, distance between B and A along y-axis. So B is how much here? B along y-axis is y2. A along y-axis how much? It is y1. So BP square can be written as y2 minus y1 square. So if you are taking square root from both sides, you'll get, therefore D is equal to AB. AB is the distance between 2 points, right? Distance between 2 points, right? So which is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now this can be written as D is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? Suppose if you want to write, since this x2 minus x1 whole square is there, right? If you want to write x1 minus x2 whole square, at that time also you'll get the correct value. Why? Because the square of negative is always positive. Likewise, you can write D is equal to root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now let's move to midpoint formula. Suppose if you want to find the midpoint of this AB. So here I have drawn like this only. AB, right? Midpoint of AB, I have marked this as xy. So the general formula, right? General formula is coordinate of A is x1, y1. Coordinate of B is x2, y2. So the midpoint, coordinate of midpoint will be M within bracket xy is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is about midpoint formula. Now let's understand some problems by using that distance formula. Okay, now find the distance between 2 points. Between the points, part number A is A, whose coordinates are given 5 comma minus 6 and B minus 3 comma 0. Part number B is C 3 comma 0 and D is 0 comma 4. Again for C, P is how much? 6 comma minus 8 and Q is 2 comma minus 5. Now in solution part you can see, just now we have discussed about the distance formula. So you can see I have drawn figure like this. A is how much? 5 comma minus 6, 5 comma minus 6, and B is minus 3 comma 0. So I have marked this as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2. By using the formula, distance AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AB is equal to x2 is how much here? X2 is minus 3, right? X1 is 5. So since minus is there in the formula only, okay, don't get confused. Now minus 3 minus 5 whole square is equal to minus 8 whole square. y2 is 0, y1 is minus 6. Minus into minus is equal to plus. So this will be minus into minus equal to plus 6 whole square. So this is 6 square. As I have already explained you that square of negative is always positive, because minus into minus equal to plus. 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36. So 64 plus 36 equal to 100, and this is under root over sign. So square root of 100 is 10, and since you are finding distance, so you must write unit, since it is not mentioned whether it is centimeter, meter or feet, right? So directly you can write unit. Now you can see in part number B. In part number B, you can see distance CD. So C is 3, 0, D is 0, 4. So I have marked this as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now CD is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now x2 is 0, x1 is 3. So 0 minus 3 whole square plus y2 is 4, y1 is 0. So this is 0 whole square, right? 4 minus 0 whole square. Now 0 minus 3 whole square is equal to minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4 whole square. So minus 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. So 9 plus 16 equal to 25. So that means root of 25 is 5. See, here I have taken only positive sign. Why? Because distance can never be negative, and you must write unit here. Okay. Now solution for part number C. Distance PQ is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So P, whose coordinate is x minus 8, 6 minus 8. So I have taken this as x1 and this one is x2. Here Q is 2 comma minus 5. So this 2 is x2 and minus 5 is y1, y2. Now same formula I am using here. So x2 is how much? x2 is 2, x1 is 6. So this will be 2 minus 6 whole square plus y2 is minus 5 and y1 is minus 8. So minus into minus equal to plus 8 whole square. Now 2 minus 6 whole square equal to minus 4 square. Minus 5 plus 8 whole square equal to 3 square. So 4 square minus 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9. So 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So PQ is equal to root over 25. Square root of 25 is 5 and the unit you must write. I hope all of you have understood this. Thank you.